We're at the Embassy Suites in Omaha. I didn't realize this place has glass elevators, but it does. So let's film them. Interesting. Looks like these were modded, but I don't know what they were originally. Westinghouse. They were Westinghouse originally. Or Schindler. Coming up?
Oh, you going up? Okay.
Yes.
I'm going down.
I don't. There's. Oh yeah. There's only. This is. I was gonna say this is the bottom. You can't go down from here unless you get a shovel.
Oh, that's true.
I like your dog.
Oh, thank you. Where's the main floor?
2. There you go.
I'm not going in it. Okay.
Have a good one.
You too.
Yeah, this looks like it was modded by O'Keefe. They like to use these square innovation buttons. The square universal. We'll get a different one after this. We'll get. I'm going to try to get that one over on that end so we can film. So we can film the other view. Oh, Montgomery. Oh, you're right. That's a Montgomery door sill. I thought it was Westinghouse for a second. Yeah, no, that is Montgomery. Oh, you know what? These might have been vector. Actually, I think these were vector, because look, that's vector dimension. Yep, that's the dimension of a vector lantern. That's the dimension of a vector call station. These probably were Montgomery vector. Looks like we're getting this one. I hope. Oh. We'll ride this one up to the lobby. Send it up. Let's see.
Are you guys ready? Let's go. See you soon. Get on the elevator.
How far is it from?
It's a short walk.
I'm okay.
There goes that one. Yeah, I think these were vector, actually. These things are Montgomery vector. You guys could take that one up. I'll wait.
Oh, thank you.
No
No problem.
I appreciate it.
Of course.
Go ahead now.
Happy birthday. That actually worked out well. Now we sent away both the other ones, so we get the one I wanted. I love it when things work out. This is both lucky. This is both convenient and lucky. All right. Oh, COP's on this side, on this one. Who's on that side on the others? I don't know why I got tripped up. Oh, that kid was taking a picture of the atrium too. Always nice to see a young architecture enthusiast.
Kids these days are only focused on iPads and video games and skibbity toilet.
What is this? Is this elevator stuff? That might be. Or just some furniture. Oh no, that's just a mat, a rolled up mat. Oh, we lost the good one. I don't know why they didn't put them in the middle. I don't know why they didn't put them here. Wow, one of them has a loud motor. Let's go look out from the outside. Yeah, this is neat. I like this atrium. Kids are riding on the cart on that. Very interesting design. Oh, I like how they have I like the plants there. That's a nice touch. Did we get one? Nope. I'm not gonna lie. I would have thought 3 elevators is enough for this amount of floors too, but they really honestly could have done with a 4th one. Oh cool, we get this one again. All right, we're gonna ride this down and then we'll end it at the lobby. Stopping. Going down.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
What are we?
Oh yeah, sorry. Take care, guys. Going down?
No,
Sorry.
about that.
You're good. Actually, no, I do not forgive him. How dare he step on the elevator thinking it's going up? That is unforgivable. That is an unforgivable sin. Anyway, that's all.